Hi, my name is Jen. In the last part, Hongze introduced how to identify and collect the data. And here I will introduce how to process and analyze data. As demonstrated by Hongze, Unity Dashboard provides several functions to analyze, like Data Explorer or Fund Analyzer. But there are some limitations. So if you want to customize your own charts or graphs, you can download the Unity Raw JSON file from Unity Dashboard. And here is one of the Unity raw data file downloaded. So if you are familiar with some professional software for parsing JSON files like RStudio or some third-party toolkits that support it, that's good. You can just need to know what I'm saying next. What I will provide is just an alternative way to parse the JSON data. It is an IO stream. When you look at this file, you will find that for each row, it's a piece of JSON data. So you can read it line by line. It may be my display problem. You may think they are not on one line, but actually they are on one line. JSON format is just like curly braces, double quotation, and key-value pairs. So you can just traverse it, split the JSON data by commas and columns, and find the key that you predefined, and then extract the value from it. By this way, you can draw any graphs you like as long as the data is included in the JSON file. Here I will show you an example I made, like this one. I just extracted how many different users played this game, how many different session IDs, and how many level passes for a specific day. By this way, you can customize your own graph, not just bar graph. You can draw line charts, scatter charts, or pie charts, whatever you like. The only goal is to make the data become intuitive and easier to be analyzed. I'd like to mention that if the horizontal axis has many items, such as for a game, you have, let's say, totally 50 levels, and you want to show the data for these 50 levels in one graph, it might look crowded and unflattened in one graph. So in that case, you can divide the charts into two parts. One is for level 1 to level 25, and another is from level 26 to level 50. Again, this is only an alternative way. There are many ways to parse JSON file, so you can choose your own method to achieve it. Okay, that's what this part is about. Thank you.